Hi, I'm Bryan Cheong from Bixzee. In today's tutorial, I'll talk about third-party logistic setting and also my logistic setting. Let's go to Bixzee B2B seller platform. On the left-hand side, go to the bottom and you can see system setting. Click on it and just scroll down a bit and you can see the third-party logistic setting and also my logistic setting. Basically, third-party logistic setting is when you want to deliver your goods using a third-party logistic company. That's why you can maintain the information of the service provider over here. Just click on the create new. Choose the country. Currently, we just put in Malaysia. Put in a code, maybe called GDEX. Then name also can put in GDEX. Put a URL. Put in the URL www.GDEXexpress.com. A description for this. Let's say GDEX. Put in an image if you want to. Just click on the image and choose the file and upload it. Then just click on save. Then you have your GDEX service provider information, and of course, as usual, if you want to edit the information, just click on that particular information and click edit or just delete it. If you're not using third-party logistic, then maybe you have your own driver vehicle. You can do the setting for my logistic setting. So the first one, maybe you want to create some driver information. Create new. You have a new driver called Ali. Short name Ali. Put in the personal contact number, the email address, the IC for this person. So whether it's belong to your own company or third-party company, just as a additional information, he is your own company employees. Put in the employee number, the license number, and license expiry date. So if everything in place, then click on save. So this is how you create the driver. This will be useful if later on when we do a route planning or route sheet, so we'll know that exactly for this delivery is sent by which driver. Then we can create some vehicle over here. Just click on create new. So you can select different type of vehicle, whether it's a car, a van, a dry truck. So let's select a dry truck, then put in the vehicle number. What is the road tax expiry date? Maybe it's April next year or May next year. Then some trailer information, push.com expiry date. Okay, and the most important part is over here, the loading information. You need to put in the weight for this lorry. Let's say it's a 1-ton lorry. What is the dimensions? Okay, the length, the width, the height. Just put in the dimension according to the actual vehicle information. Now, this is very important. It's because later on when we are doing the route planning, so we need to compare the vehicle loading information with the stock information to enable the system to do the planning for you. So if you're okay with it, then just click on save. So you have your vehicle ready to be used in the logistic or route planning later. Maybe you want to put in area. You can create different area. If you want to create an area, just click on the create new. Let's say now I want to put in all the places in Selangor. Sort order is not very important. It's basically how the sorting will look like outside. Over here, if you want to create the area for Selangor, over here you click on Malaysia. It will list out the whole Malaysia. Do not do this. Untick Malaysia. You should click on this more button to list out the details and look for Selangor maybe. Click on it. If you do send to all the places in Selangor, then you can click on Selangor. if some places you do not want to send, let's say you do not want to send to Pulau Indah, then you can untick it. Do not want to send to Pulau Kari, or you want to send, then you can click it back. And after select those information that is relevant and meaningful to you, just click on the add button. So it will move all the Selangor information to here. When finished, save. Now you have the Selangor area. If you are okay, then, or you can continue to create different area or more specific area accordingly. So that's for the third-party logistics setting and also my logistics setting. That's all for today. And once again, I'm Bryan from Bixzee. Thank you.